Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you how we can use the work breakdown structure tool or its kinds of methods to improve the project management. For example, you can imagine how people can build a house or a skyscraper, a high building or a brick or skygen. If you think about it, what works they will do, right? What they build house, they may what they buy corners, they buy tables, they buy windows, all those things, right? So when we break down the works, we call this the work breakdown structures. To know the work basics, to break down small tasks, small jobs to specific people, specific person. So we will break down each each task to each people with the specific skills to make sure they can perform their jobs properly and on time and keep right budgets on the work they do, and also inform the guests or any changes if they cannot meet their job requirements and the timeline and the budgets. All those things always keep in mind. So when we break down the jobs, to make sure people involved in they understand the goals, they very clearly understand the jobs they need to perform and the goals, the project scope or the goals of the projects they need to keep in mind to understand really what they do to achieve their goals together. So for example, when the owners of the house want to build a dog house in the back yard of his house, the house owners may ask the construction owners to build the house dogs, right, at the back of the house, and then the construction owners may ask their employees to perform that to build the house dogs, and maybe they ask three people, one team leader and two workers to build a house. So to make sure team leader and two workers understands of the purpose of the goals of the house or meet the owner's requirements and owner needs, they need to have a meeting, they need to come up with the requirements that in the details, and when they have that in hands in mind, they will plan the activities, plans the things they will do. For example, when they build certain ground floor of the house dogs, maybe they will set up the timeline when they can finish and how much they will spend on the ground floor, and two people involved in already, and what tasks that people do to build the ground floor, specific tasks, specific timeline, and any changes or any risk that they will, let's say the weather affect the weather like rainy of rain heavily and then affect the construction, something like that. Yeah, and inform informative inform here information that's relate between all of them, and first information from the owners because they speak to all people know about their requirement their needs. Yeah, so we use the work structures breakdown to break down the small tasks to do the jobs, to manage tasks, to complete the tasks in the timeline, in the budget. Yeah, and we use that to do the projects, right? And we have a tool that we call the GAM. GAM that means responsibility, and assessments and metrics to measure the individual's jobs performance, to make sure they understand clearly the goals, they can perform the jobs properly and on time, and keep the budgets, keep the budgets, do not lie desert budgets. Yeah, and then they can do the tasks on time or any changes in over the times. Yes. Okay, just apply three ladders gams to manage the workers in the small group of the gorgeous or gorgeous team, people who involved in the big gorgeous. Thank you so much everyone. If you have any question, please comment on my YouTube below, or if you think that video is useful for you, just share with other people who need this information. And if you love this, you can subscribe this video to continue see other series, other videos. Okay, thank you so much everyone. Bye for now.